In this video, I'm going to show you everything I know about blending with markers, from what paper to use, blending, and more. Markers will go from hard mode to easy by the end of this video. Step 1 is to use smooth Bristol paper to get the best results. Yes, you will need to use this type of paper if you're wanting the best results possible. All amazing marker artists use this type of paper. Smooth Bristol doesn't suck the moisture out of the markers, is smooth, and stays wetter longer for superior smooth blending. I'm going to assume you have your markers, so we'll move to step 2, which is laying down your solid colors. Markers expel only so much ink, so to get bold, saturated colors means you have to soak that Bristol paper until it can no longer saturate any further. This will ensure you don't get that dry, scratchy marker look and keep your blending or shading looking smooth. Step 3 is actually blending your colors. The best way is to not just go from color to color, but starting with a darker color base and then using that base color as a jumping off point from your lighter color to blend from that darker color and outward. What this does is the lighter brush pulls some of that darker color along with it, and it gives you a better shade or a smoother transition. And you'll start blending toward the darker base color from the lightest color. Trust me, you'll need to do this to smoothen out the last of any hard or mid edges, give you that smooth gradient you're looking for. Now here's the last and most important step in getting that really smooth blend. The trick is to use a really light marker, like say a 0 cool gray or 0 warm gray, or maybe a 0 blue gray. You're going to be using a lot of grays, as you'll notice, because they're the lightest color you can get from the darker colors. Now, this is very important. You must do all of these steps within a few minutes or it won't work well. Alcohol dries fast, so the marker will dry fast. You have moments to work in an area before you move to another part of your drawing. You have moments to finish an area, so don't move on to another part of your drawing until you finish that initial part of your drawing, say like it's a head or an arm. And don't forget to use your lighter colors as more of like a soft brush of softening those edges. It's all about using the lighter colors as a soft brush. Never forget that. Your darks are the hard brushes and your lights are the soft. You'll notice what I mean when you're trying to get that soft edge and you can't do it with the dark because it's just too dark. It's just going to leave too much of a dark value, hard edge. Now that you know how to use alcohol markers, I have another video that talks about art fundamentals and studying at home. I think you'd really enjoy it, and you can check it out right here. See you later.